Okay, so we're out here at the ridge, and this is a video that a lot of people have requested. We're out here with the homemade bullet trap, and we're going to run it through a couple tests. Our shooting distance today is going to be approximately 25 yards, kind of hard to measure out here. As you can see, that's the setup. I'm going to be using a .22 9mm standard shotgun and a .223. Let's get started. The .22 we're going to use today is this Ruger 10/22 takedown model, and I'm going to be shooting this very cheap, very affordable federal standard .22 rimfire. All right, let's see how she holds up. There was never any doubt with the .22 caliber ammunition. That's what we used to shoot in the basement back in the 80s at this old homemade trap. So let's go ahead and step it up and shoot something else. We're going to go with the 9mm. I'll be shooting the Italian Beretta today. And allow the hate to begin because I've already done a video on this particular firearm compared to the off-the-shelf models. Leave your comments below. What we're going to be shooting is very cheap reload ammunition that I found in my basement. This is 121 grain, standard lead, 9mm. Let's go. There was never really any doubt with the 9mm either. I had shot that in the basement growing up as well. And as you can see here, no damage to the trap whatsoever. Still very smooth, perfect condition. Let's do something else. For the shotgun today, I'll be shooting the Lynx 12 automatic shotgun. I'll be shooting very cheap Remington 3 1/4 number 6 shot. Just going to run a bunch of rounds through it. Let's see what happens with this. Let's get that reset for a better camera angle here. Let's go ahead and get that reset again for another better camera angle. And let's try a completely different camera angle altogether. Those 4 shots were originally from 10 yards, 2 from 25 yards, then back to 10 yards for the knockdown. No damage to the trap though. Okay, I guess this is what everybody's been waiting for. Here's the AR-15 shooting standard, super cheap tool ammo. You can pick this up at any Walmart. .223. Well, everybody wants to know whether or not this trap can stop this. So let's finally do this demonstration for everybody. For complete transparency, that shot was actually from about 35 yards away. And while it might have looked like a high shot from the flash in the video, it actually wasn't. It was a dead center shot, and it actually did hit the side plate here. These plates are at a very steep angle. No damage here, but as you can see, it punched a hole straight through the back of the target. So hopefully that answers everybody's question finally. No, this bullet trap will not stop a .223 round. Again, it did hit the side panel, and I'm thinking the only reason it deflected it into the center like that was because of the steepness of the angle. That's about all I have to say about explaining that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the trap so everybody can see that where it came out. And there we go. That's it. Nice smooth cut, nice smooth hole. And there's the final result, the video that everybody's been asking for. Well, thanks for watching. Other than the 223 round, the little bullet trap here held up to everything else quite well. It'll be spending the rest of its natural existence down here at the ridge, and we'll use it for some experiments in the future, I'm sure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, like, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, the video's over. Get back to work. You've got stuff to do. You don't need to be hanging around here. But before you go, hey, how about hitting that thumbs up button? Or commenting below. I'd appreciate it.